Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, backup camera. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.